Hey guys, I'm going to quickly show you today how you can add social shares to your post. So if you see, like, this post doesn't have any social media icons to share. So if you see, this blog post doesn't have any social media share buttons. So we can actually set that up quickly. So to do that, head over to your dashboard and go to plugins, add new plugin. And here we're going to search for social share. And this is a plugin we'll be using. Click on install now, activate it. Once the plugin is installed, we can actually go into the settings of the plugin. And here we got some options on how the icon should look like on the site. So we got round, square, rectangle. I'm going to pick rectangle. And I'm going to come down here and click save changes. Now let's go back to the post and refresh. Now here we got the social share buttons here on the top of the post. You can make changes to this by going back to the plugin page and click on standard interface. And this is what is enabled for us. I don't want the floating on the side, so I'm going to click on that and disable it and go down and click save changes. Now let's go back and refresh it. So this is the look that I wanted, but you can actually go and change other settings over here. You can enable more social icons, you can disable some of them, whatever suits your blog. And then once you're done with that, you can click save changes and it should reflect back here. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.